Welcome back, everybody. This is Island Hopper TV, and today we are coming to you from Punta Cana. We're going to show you guys around some of the activities that you can do when you come out here. We were here for about 5 days, so we got a lot to show you, and also we're going to show you some of the accommodations. So if you love the Dominican Republic, you're definitely going to want to watch this travel guide. What's going on, Island Hoppers? Today we're coming to you from Los Corrales in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. We're going to show you this bungalow before we go out there on the beach. But look right over here. Look at that beach. We're right there. It's two-story apartment. But let's go inside here and take a look. We'll do a quick tour, and then we'll head back out into the beach. So here's a king-size bed, aircon closet, and then bathroom right here. And a shower. You know, that's a bathroom, not as much else needs to be said. And then here we have the living room, which is, you know, maybe a place to hang out. TV, got a refrigerator. And then if you go in here, you've got another bedroom, king-size bed, aircon closet, and a bathroom. So 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms for about $120 a night. Not too bad. Let's go check out Punta Cana. Wow, got a little rain coming down, but they say it rains and then 30 minutes later the sun comes out. So welcome to Dominican Republic. Bloody Mary is very tasty.
Welcome to Dominican. My homie right there. Punta Cana.
I got a good show for you. Whoa, beautiful show from Punta Cana, Dominican Republic.
So as you can see, there's lots of activity going on Bavaro Beach, even on the weekdays. This is what we're cruising right now. I'm just showing you some of the hotel resorts as you walk around this beach. This is what you'll see and feel. As you can see, I also did sign up for a tour, which will be ATVs and dune buggies. We got to wake up early for that one, so that's going to be some fun stuff coming up here in a moment. So here's our view from the apartment of the sunrise, because in Punta Cana you get the sunrise and not the sunset because of the direction Punta Cana faces east. But this here is our next day where we actually do the ATV and the dune buggy tour, or as they call it, the boogie. If you are a morning person, Punta Cana is going to work out great for you because of that sunrise. But if you're not a morning person, I do recommend at least making an effort to catch one sunrise while you're here.
I got some coffee con leche for breakfast, desayuno. We're going to go ride some quads today. This should be fun. taking this tour bus, taking it to go ride some quads. Actually, it's not a tour bus, it's a safari jeep, like a jeepney. So, definitely not a bus. So we showed up here. We were actually only going to get a dune buggy, as you can see right here. But he said I can upgrade to a Polaris, so I did. Cost about 2,000 Dominican to upgrade, but hey, I'm doing it. Let's go. Let's go. We're waiting. So far we've been on this for about 10 minutes. Sometimes the automobiles in the front of the caboose or the train break down and it stops everything. So, you know, that's kind of a little bit of a problem when things break down. But once we're going hard, it goes hard. But there we go, now we're back on the road. Oh, by the way, if you do this activity, make sure you wear clothes that you realize are going to get very muddy, because you get splashed with mud all on this journey. You'll see as we keep going.
Hola, hola. 25 feet deep, si no swimming, the life jacket para que no finish in the cave.
Yeah, so like he was saying, when you go in that cave, don't jump because the water's not very deep. We're at the coffee plantation. So we stopped here at a coffee plantation. They've got real organic chocolate, real organic coffee, some cigars, and mamajuana. Mamajuana. I will basically leave mamajuana as a mystery to you, but I will say it's a local drink that's said to have some aphrodisiac effect.
Aloha, aloha, liha, liha. Marco Beach.
Fresh coconut water. So I did get a fresh coconut. Definitely something that hydrates me. It was 200 Dominican pesos. I think it's a good price. Yeah, so out here in Punta Cana, at any given time, it will rain. As you can see with these storm clouds billowing right over here, it happens real quickly, lasts about a half hour, and then it's done. So I want to be clear, if you do this adventure off-roading, you're going to get muddy. So just be ready. It might not be for everybody. You definitely want to dress in the clothes that you're going to wear for that occasion. But it's fun. Definitely a wild ride, but this is a real adventure. So once we wrap this show up here at the off-roading facility, we actually went back into town to get some dinner, but I needed a haircut first, so that's what we're going to do now, is get a haircut. And man, I was really impressed with this haircut. So a big shout out to Barba Thor. That's the name of the barbershop out there in Los Corrales. So they gave us a warm welcome, hooked us up real good, and you get drinks while you're getting a haircut. What could be better than that? So anyway, they also showed us where to go down the road to get some food and drinks.
Here we got the Presidente. This is the official Dominican beer. So let's give it a whirl. It really works out good on a hot day, I'll tell you that.
Dominican breakfast. So after 2 nights at the Los Corrales village, we ended up heading over to an all-inclusive because Punta Cana is known for that. I wanted to try it for this travel guide, not necessarily because I like all-inclusives, but I knew you guys would be curious as to what that experience would look like. So here we are at the Impressive, which is a all-inclusive resort.
So when you're in Punta Cana, if you want to watch an American sports game, any sort of hockey, baseball, basketball, football, right here at the corner bar, right here.
If you want to come the corner bar, Punta Cana, very drink and very chica, very hot.
So we went around to some of the bars afterwards and checked out the nightlife in Punta Cana. It does get going on the weekends, especially around about 11 or 12, 1 a.m. Definitely more of a late night kind of experience. Now, the next day we had to wake up really early, 7 a.m. to go to Souwano Island, or Isla Saona, a very beautiful place, and we're going to now show you just how gorgeous this place really is. The first spot is known as the Caribbean Pool, and as you can see why, it's this shallow water that really is as clear as pool water, and you swim here for about 45 minutes with a bunch of other boats and catamarans in the area. All right, we've officially made it to Souwano Island. Oh yeah, look at this beautiful place. Well, there's my lunch. Yardbird, pork, noodles, rice. Beautiful.
gosh, it just started to rain out of nowhere. That's how they do it in Dominican Republic.
Yeah, that was a long day, but well worth it. We have a full video actually highlighting that exact experience if you guys want to go watch it. Previous video before this, also linked to it at the end. But anyways, next day we wake up, check out of the impressive resort, and we actually go get ready to head to our next destination, Puerto Rico. So we had to do a test. You know what kind of test? So we've ordered a multitude of different appetizers here, but right now we're actually trying a Dominican appetizer. This one here is more of a pollo, which is a chicken. This is a carne, which is a beef. And then these are both filled with beef as well as cheese. I could definitely say that after eating these appetizers, I can understand how they can drink so much rum. One of the more popular clubs that you'll see when you come down here is Coco Bongo. They have them in Mexico and Cancun, and they have them in a few other destinations, but here's Coco Bongo in Punta Cana. All right, guys, that's going to conclude this episode of Island Hopper TV from Punta Cana. Hopefully you guys took away some information that's useful for you on your trip. And if you did, please crush up the likes and stay tuned for our next series coming to you from San Juan, Puerto Rico, and on to the Virgin Islands.